Hi, here just I want to show you how to use this simulation. This is just to show you what is the escape velocity of the Earth and also talking about, what is the correct velocity to send satellites with. Yeah, just here, I'm going back to reset everything and move to a velocity which is 4.3. I'm gonna fire. Look, okay, both of them, like both satellites, the one in here and the one here, they're going back to the Earth. I'm gonna reset and make more velocity, like 7, all right? And then I'm gonna fire. They're gonna go higher in the sky or like, making more distance here. But again, they're gonna go back to the Earth, all right? Now there is a magic number here that I'm gonna send my satellites with, and look here what's happening. By doing this, I make that satellite following the curvature of the Earth, and it is ready to go in circles around the Earth. Okay, then I can send that satellite. This satellite is gonna stay there forever. Let's see here if I make this velocity 10, how this is gonna change. And fire. Okay, what you can see is instead of having a circular orbit, I have an orbit which is elliptical. All right. Now, but there is a limit for that, and let me check. Like if I'm gonna send with another velocity, which is that number. Look now what's happening. You can see that these vehicles, these spacecrafts, whatever they are leaving the Earth forever. This is the escape velocity of the Earth, and it has a value of 11.2 kilometers per second. It depends on the mass of the Earth and the radius. Thank you very much, and hope that this is going to be useful.